Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make Kaju biscuits at home. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for a smooth baking process. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of fine semolina, and 100 grams of softened unsalted butter. Don't forget 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and a small pinch of aromatic cardamom powder to enhance the flavor. Having everything measured out beforehand makes the next steps much easier. Now, let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, cream together the 100 grams of softened butter and 1/2 cup of powdered sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step is crucial for a tender biscuit texture. Next, gradually incorporate the 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of semolina, and the cardamom powder. Gently knead the ingredients until a soft, cohesive dough forms. Avoid over-kneading to keep the biscuits crumbly. With your dough ready, it's time to shape those delicious Kaju biscuits. Lightly flour your work surface and roll out the dough to about 1/4 inch thickness. Then, use a cashew-shaped cookie cutter to cut out your biscuits. Carefully place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Once baked, let your Kaju biscuits cool completely on a wire rack. This helps them crisp up and prevents them from becoming soggy. Once fully cooled, transfer them to an airtight container to maintain their freshness and delightful crunch for several days. They are perfect for an evening snack or a sweet treat with tea. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade Kaju biscuits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.